Hi guys, I just bought the Wyze Cam Pan version 3. I have had Nest camera generation 1, but after 6 years it just got broken. And today I'm replacing the Nest camera with this Wyze. Price-wise, this is much more reasonable. And on Amazon, it has a good review, so I'm gonna try this out. So I bought this camera on Amazon, and I didn't realize that this camera came with the power cable and that is for the indoor use. So later on I'll show you the outdoor power cable as well. But this is the one for indoors, which is included in the box. And this is the USB cable, which is gonna be providing the power to the camera. This indoor cable is about 70 inches long. And I will show you how I installed this camera today. And this is the outdoor cable. So for the version 3, extension cable is included in this box, which is absolutely needed. With this L-shaped extension cable, you can achieve the IP65. This is the extension part. This is for the version 3 camera. That is what I purchased. As you can see, inside it's a USB-C connection. And it comes with the power adapter. And this is how you can add the extension cable. So it says you need a drill and Phillips driver, but I would say that you probably need a ladder as well. And later on you will see it, but I also use the level as well. So this is where I am installing that camera today. So this is the place where I am installing the camera. I already marked the bracket where it would be installed, and I'm drilling the 2 holes there. And I'm installing the screws. So here I use that level. I installed the bracket. To install it, I use the indoor cable first. After realizing the original package only included the indoor cable, I made another purchase order through Amazon, and the next day I replaced this indoor cable with the outdoor cable. Alright, so the camera is there. Now I launch the app. You choose Add Device, then Camera, and then Cam Pan B3. Hit Next. And select your home wireless network. And check the I heard ready to connect. Then hit Next. And you take your iPhone to the camera, and camera takes the image of a QR code. And you hear QR code scanned. Then check it and hit Next. And your wireless network is connected. Now name your device. I'm so creative, so I chose the backyard cam as a name. For now, I didn't do the auto renewal. and hit continue. And I hit skip. And setup completed. So here you can already see my backyard. And through your wireless connectivity, you update the firmware. And after that, I went to settings and advanced settings, and there you see the rotate image 180 degrees. You enable it. Then the image flips, and now you don't go insane. And this is the night vision view. I hope this video helps you when you install the Wyze camera. Thank you for watching.